Good morning, students. Under the chapter Ratio Analysis, we have seen so far three types of ratios completed. The fourth type is the profitability ratio. This is the fourth type. What are the first three steps and what are the three different ratios we have seen already? One is the liquidity ratios. Under liquidity ratios, we have seen current ratio and quick ratio. So under liquidity ratio, there are two types, current ratio, other one is quick ratio. And the second type is long-term solvency ratios. Under long-term solvency ratio, we have seen three types. One is the debt-equity ratio, other one is the proprietary ratio, third one is the capital gearing ratio. So, under two main subdivisions, we have seen five. Under two main divisions, we have seen five subdivisions of ratios. That is, liquidity ratio is the current ratio and the quick ratio, and the long-term solvency ratio is debt-equity ratio, proprietary ratio, capital gearing ratio. So totally there are five subdivisions under two main divisions. The third we have seen already, turnover ratios. In turnover ratio, that is the third type, we have seen four types. One is the stock turnover ratio or inventory turnover ratio. The next one is trade receivable turnover ratio. Then trade payable turnover ratio, finally fixed asset turnover ratio. And therefore, in the third type, first type 2, second type 3, third type 4. Now we are going through the fourth type, profitability ratio, under which we have seen already three: gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, and the operating cost ratio. What we are going to see now is the operating profit ratio. Ratio is equal to operating profit by divided by revenue from operations. Into 100 as usual, because it is the profitability ratio in which we should write the answer in terms of percentage, therefore into. This is the common in all the four ratios we have seen so far. It is into 100, that is one thing. All the denominators are revenue from operations. And only numerator differs. If it is gross profit ratio, gross profit numerator. If it is net profit ratio, net profit, that is net profit after tax numerator. What is the operating cost ratio? That is operating cost the numerator. What is operating profit ratio? Then operating profit is the numerator. The name of the ratio will lead to the numerator. Gross profit ratio, gross profit. Net profit ratio, net profit. Operating cost ratio, operating cost. Operating profit ratio, operating profit. So all the numerators are in the name of the ratio itself, and the denominator revenue from operations, that into 100. Now we shall see the fourth ratio, operating profit ratio. What is operating profit ratio? Today it is 20th, 2010. We shall see example number 15, illustration 15. We are going to see now illustration 15. Under illustration 15, what is left with operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit, that what I have written already. Operating profit ratio. This formula you can remember easily. Operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by revenue from operations. Revenue from operations. Revenue from operations. Okay, now we should find the numerator and the denominator. In the first problem, that is, there are three subdivisions. That is case 1. Case 1. What we should do? Under case 1, operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit is equal to, it is given straight away 1,50,000. Then the denominator revenue from operations, revenue from operations is equal to 10 lakhs. This is 10 lakhs. So what is operating profit ratio? Operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit by revenue from operations revenue from operations divided, that is operating profit by revenue from operations into 100. This is equal to operating profit 1,50,000 divided by 10 lakhs into 100. You can simplify 2 zeros here and the remaining 4 zeros here. 15 by 1, it is 15% in the first case. What is the speciality in the first case? If you remember the formula, operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by revenue from operation into 100. The value of the numerator and the denominator are given straight away, so you can do it. You can just substitute and find. Whereas in case 2, the same formula, but we must find the values for them, and whether the values are given straight away to do, whether the values are given straight away to do. What is it? The numerator operating profit is equal to, for the case 2, operating profit is equal to, from the revenue we must minus the operating cost, that is operating profit is equal to revenue from, that is the total income, revenue from operations minus the same thing, that is operating cost is given. Operating cost. Revenue from operations, this is case 2. Revenue from operations 15 lakhs minus operating cost 12 lakhs. So the operating profit will be 3 lakhs. And this is for the numerator, the same operating profit. Then what is revenue from operations? It is given straight away. Revenue from operations. This is 15 lakhs equal to 15 lakhs. 15 lakhs. So, what is operating profit ratio? Operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit by revenue from operations into 100. What is the operating profit? We have found out 3 lakhs by revenue from operations 15 lakhs into 100. Now, if you simplify, this is 5 times 100 by 5, 20%. 100 by 5, 20%. Now, case 3, the third one. Case 3. In this also, you can write the operating profit ratio is equal to the operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by revenue from operations. So what we must find in case 3, revenue from operations 2 lakhs, it is given. The denominator, revenue from operations the denominator is equal to, the denominator value equal to revenue from operation in case 3, 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. Only we should find the operating profits. How to find the operating profits? Operating profit is equal to, listen how I am approaching the problem. Operating profit is equal to, operating profit how we should find? From the gross profit we should minus gross profit, we should minus operating expenses. Operating expenses. Operating expenses. In this, anything given operating expenses, it is given as 4 lakhs. The operating expenses is given as 4 lakhs. So you see that case 3, revenue from operations 20 lakhs. Gross profit 30% on revenue from operations. So to find the operating profit, we need gross profit and operating expenses. This operating expenses, this we know. Gross profit is given, we should calculate. What is gross profit? Gross profit is equal to 30% of revenue from operations. 30% revenue from operations. What is 30%? 30 by 100 into revenue from operations 20 lakhs, which is equal to 1010, yes. This is the 2 lakhs. 3 into 2 lakhs, 6 lakhs. This is the gross profit. Now you come to the operating profit formula. What is in operating profit? Gross profit is 6 lakhs. Minus operating expenses, it is clearly given in the problem itself, 4 lakhs. So 6 lakhs minus 4 lakhs, it must be 2 lakhs. This is the operating profit. So we know the values of numerator and denominator, substitute them. What is operating profit? Operating profit is 2 lakhs. Revenue from operations 20 lakhs. Into 100, which is equal to this 2 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 10 times 100 by 10, 10. This is 10%. These are the 3 cases given in illustration 15. Once again, we shall discuss. This is the 4th type of ratio, that is operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit by revenue from operation. It is easy to remember these formulae in the examination. If the question is asked under 5 marks, the formula will carry 1 mark. Have this in mind, it is very important. And also these formulae can be remembered so easily. It is not very difficult. Okay. Operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit by revenue from operations into 100. These two values are given. We can just substitute and find the answer. In case 1, the revenue from operations and gross profit both are given. So, just we have written the values, we have written the formula, and the values are substituted and the percentage is calculated. In case 2, the revenue from operations denominator is given, whereas the operating profit is not given. Then how to find the operating profit? From the revenue from operations, you minus the operating cost, then you will get the operating profit. What is that revenue from operations? That is income. What is operating cost? That is the amount spent for the purchase of the materials, purchase of the products to be sold. இது வித்ததுலேருந்து கிடைச்ச வருமானம். இது வந்து அந்த பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் விற்கிறதுக்காக வாங்கியிருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அது இருந்தாலும் அப்போ டோட்டல் இன்கம்லேருந்து அவங்க பண்ணின அந்த செலவு காஸ்ட், ஆப்ரேட்டிங் காஸ்ட் மைனஸ் பண்ணா we will get the operating profit. So in this problem, there is one more step we should find what it is. The denominator is straight away given, but the operating profit is not straight away given. Instead, what is there? The operating cost is given. Therefore, from the operating cost, how to find the operating profit? Then from revenue you minus the cost, you will get operating profit 3 lakhs. Revenue from operations it is given. This is numerator, this is the denominator into 100. That's what we have written. In case 3, what is given there? The same formula, operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit by revenue from operations into 100. Revenue from operations as usual in case 3 it is given 20 lakhs. Good. But what we should find, the value of numerator we should find. Numerator value is not. For that operating profit, here with the available information, gross profit minus operating expenses. Here revenue is given, cost is given, revenue less cost minus panna, we will get operating profit. Whereas here this gross profit is we should calculate, that is also not directly given. Gross profit is 30% of revenue from operations. That is 30 by 100 into 20 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Okay, gross profit we have found out. And the operating expenses it is given. It is not the operating cost, operating expenses is given. So from the total profit, if you minus the operating expenses, you will get the operating profit. I told you very many times. 10 லட்சம் ரூபாய்க்கு பொருள் விற்றுருக்கிறோம், அது வாங்கினது 8 லட்சம் ரூபாய்க்கு அப்படின்னா 2 லட்சம் ரூபாய் ப்ராஃபிட். தட் இஸ் கிராஸ் ப்ராஃபிட். அதுலேருந்து என்ன செஞ்சிருப்போம், அவன் 2 லட்சம் ரூபாயிலிருந்து ரெண்ட் கொடுத்துருப்போம், சேலரி கொடுத்துருப்போம், வேஜஸ் கொடுத்துருப்போம். If you minus all those things, say for example, if the total comes from 80,000, the gross profit, that is operating profit, will be 2 lakhs minus 80,000, 1,20,000. That is gross profit minus operating expenses. Here in this problem, gross profit we have calculated, and the operating expenses it is given in the book itself. So 6 lakhs minus 4 lakhs, it is 2 lakhs. So the numerator value 2 lakhs, denominator value 20 lakhs into 100. If you simplify, you will find the 10%. Okay. Now we shall pass on to exercise problem 15. The same model, but the figures are different, so I am doing it. In here also the same. Calculate the operating profit ratio. Case 1. Operating profit by revenue from operations into 100. In case 1, revenue from operations is equal to 8 lakhs and operating profits 2 lakhs. So you substitute the values here, 2 lakhs by 8 lakhs into 100. You simplify 1 by 4 into 100, that is 25%. Okay, this is the first case. Then in second case, revenue from operations. In second case you see, revenue from operations 20 lakhs. Right. Here in case 2, the operating profit which is required for the numerator is not given straight away. Further, what is given? The operating cost is given. So, if the operating cost is given from the revenue, if you minus cost, you will get operating profit. So, what is revenue from operation? The value of revenue from operation is 20 lakhs minus. The operating cost is 14 lakhs. So 20 lakhs minus 14 lakhs, which is equal to 6 lakhs. 20 minus 14, 6 lakhs. So this is equal to 6 lakhs by 20 lakhs into 100. If you simplify these values, this is equal to 2 zeros, 1, 2, 3, then one more 0. 60 by 2, 30%. So what is the speciality here? In case 1, the operating profit is straight away given. In case 2, the operating profit is not straight away given, but operating cost is given. Therefore, if you minus operating cost from revenue, then you will get operating profit, that is 6 lakhs. Now we have found out the numerator and denominator is readily given. We can substitute and find the value. Then, case 3, gross profit. Yes, operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit by revenue from operations into 100. Okay, very good. In this, the denominator is equal to, that is revenue from operations, 10 lakhs. Revenue from operations, 10 lakhs. Very good. Now, here the operating expenses are given. Since the operating expenses are given, we should know the gross profit. If you find the gross profit, we can minus the operating expenses given, it is 1 lakh. Operating expenses 1 lakh is given. Gross profits, we should find, this is how many are, what is the percentage of revenue from operations? 25% revenue from operations is the gross profit. So 25 by 100 into revenue from operations is equal to 10 lakhs, which is equal to 2 lakhs 50,000. 25 by 100 into 10 lakhs, this is 2 lakhs 50,000. If you simplify this, 2 zeros, then 25 into 4 zeros, that is 2 lakhs 50,000. Now we have found out the gross profit, 2 lakhs 50,000. 2 lakhs 50,000 minus the operating expenses 1 lakh which is equal to 1,50,000 which is equal to 1,50,000 1,50,000. So this numerator we have found out 1,50,000 and denominator 10 lakhs it is given. Therefore, we can find that this is equal to 1,50,000 by 10 lakhs into 100, which is equal to 2 zeros cancel, remaining 4 zeros. 15 by 1, it is 15%. So revenue from operations is 15%. So you should find the difference. You know the formula. Operating profit ratio is operating profit by revenue from operations. In case 1, both the values are given straight away, either substituted and found. In case 2, the operating profit is not given, instead operating cost is given. Therefore, from revenue, if you minus operating cost, you will get this operating profit. So, operating profit we know, revenue from operations we know, we have substituted. In case 3 also, revenue from operations, that is the denominator value only is given. The operating profit is not given. For that, what is given? Gross profit and operating expenses are given. So, from gross profit, if you minus operating expenses, we can find the operating profit. Operating expenses is given straight away, but gross profit is not given. The value is given straight away, but the gross profit is 25% of revenue from operations. That is 25 by 100 into revenue from operations 10 lakhs, that is 2,50,000. Now we got the operating profit 1,50,000, that is 2,50,000 minus 1 lakh, 1,50,000. This is numerator, this is denominator into 100. If you simplify, you will get 15%.